Hey, what's up? Hold on, I'm gonna close the window. Okay, this week is all about how you stay productive and get things done and be even more productive while you're on vacation and kind of handle both. I really like traveling and working. I think it's really fun and I like staying connected to my business a little bit, but then also having that boundary of just being like, okay, I'm done for the day. I'm gonna go relax now and enjoy my family. There are a few things that I do on vacation that really help me stay productive, but then not overwhelmed. So the first thing is to schedule what I want to do the following day, the day before. So I write out a little checklist in Notion. I love the app Notion. It's like totally transformed my business. And I put my schedule there every single day so I know what I want to get done the following day. The second thing I do is try to get everything done in the morning. And I inform everybody who's on the trip with me that I'm going to try to get some things done in the morning so that everybody can anticipate. I find that it helps me stay really focused when I can just get everything done right in the morning. The third thing I do is I make sure I literally continue my routines, which means I'm still journaling, I'm still trying to meditate every day. These are really simple things. They can take only a couple minutes. I'm still trying to do all the things I would do at home mentally and physically. I'm just trying to still do them on vacation because it makes me feel my best. When I go on vacation, we literally buy every single health drink that I love and I just go to town. I go crazy because it's kind of like, I don't know, it's like how to indulge in a healthy way, I feel like. Having a green juice, I just had a kombucha, some coffee. I'm gonna have a poppy after this. Honestly, it gives me a lot of self-confidence too. That's something I've discovered and is kind of unspoken, but when you keep your routines and you're taking care of yourself mentally and physically on vacation, it makes the trip so much more fun and you feel more present and connected to people. And so I totally recommend having a routine in the morning and continuing it on vacation and really taking that time for yourself in the morning to be productive, doing a quick workout, doing meditation. For me, it's like journaling, checking my Bible app, doing these things that I would do at home, but just continuing them on vacation. Something that I practice also is when I'm done with my work for the day, I'm done. Like even if I get another follow-up email from a client or something, I push that to the next day. So I'll answer it in the morning. Even if I could answer it right there, I'm not doing much, I'm just like relaxing. It's easy almost to justify like, well, I'll just respond right now. Like I'm not doing anything else, but really like blocking that time off in the morning and then saying like, I'm not going to do work after I get done and pushing it to the next day makes you feel more free. So having like boundaries around your time and having those just like self-imposed limits of when you're going to respond to emails, when you won't. Also letting your clients know like you're out of town right now, so you might be a little slower to respond. People don't usually mind that as long as you're still staying in communication with them and being honest and authentic of like what you're doing. I'm having such a relaxing vacation now because I literally have boundaries. I'm taking care of my mental and physical health and I've planned out my days and I prepared for it. So I have a list. I know what I want to get done the following day and I can kind of mentally prepare for it. I hope this was helpful. If you like videos like this, if you like behind the scenes of YouTube and editing and how to work from anywhere, all these things that I go through in my journey on YouTube and being a video editor, subscribe to this channel and I'll see you guys back here in 2 weeks.